Oh, welcome to the Cooking Channel, man. Hey, glad y'all back. Hey, I got a good one for y'all today. Man, let me tell y'all a quick story so I can tell y'all how I came with this here idea. See, back in the days, back here in Texas, we got little small ponds, you know, around here. We ain't got all these saltwater different fishes around here and all this other stuff. So we used to go to the little tank this guy used to have. And the only three fishes that were really main fishes that you can catch around here. That was perch, bass, and catfish. And my grandfather used to take me catfishing. He loved catfish. I like the bass, but anyway, he liked the catfish. So he had got some catfish, and we came home. And I like, grandfather, he said, you gonna fry some catfish? He said, no, we ain't got no grease to fry no catfish. He said, I'm gonna barbecue them. I said, barbecue some catfish? Never heard of it at the time. So he said, yeah, and he gonna say, I'm gonna show you how to do it. And so, hey, I learned how to do it. Hey, really good. And I'm gonna teach you how to do it. Hey, Cooking General, always showing you something new. Ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking General here. Now, we're gonna do some catfish, and since I'm here, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna be eating by myself. I got 2 fillets here, and couldn't find them from the bargain bin. It was like $10, man. Stuff getting high. Could've went and caught them with my grandfather, he was still living. But anyway, we're gonna use some barbecue sauce, your favorite brand, whatever. I use a cheap brand. Got some Hunt's ketchup. We're gonna use some black pepper, some salt, and your favorite seasoning, Cajun, Creole, don't matter. I use to slap your mama, and a lemon. And then we're gonna mix that up in a bowl. And you're probably wondering, we're gonna use 80% barbecue sauce, 20% ketchup. And I'll show you how to mix it up. Cooking General, ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking General. As you can see, I got my bowl. I got my barbecue sauce. I'm using 80-20 now. About 80% barbecue sauce and about 20% ketchup. Just gonna put the salt, some black pepper, and some of my slap mama season. And I'm gonna squeeze in some lemon juice. You're gonna mix this up, and this is what you're gonna dip your fish in. Cooking General, ask somebody. All right, here we go here. See there, I got my fish. I had it just sit there marinating in my sauce. I usually put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour. And like you can even set it overnight, be more flavorful. But back in the days, we didn't have that time. So we really just coated it and barbecued it right then and there. But since I had to get the fire started, I kind of let it sit in there for about 30 minutes. Cooking General, ask somebody. All right, welcome back to the Cooking General. Now you want to keep your little sauce because you're gonna always want to base a little sauce on it when you're cooking them. Now, got my fire started and I got them on there. Now I'm finna cover them up and let them go. Keep an eye on them. I give them a little air to come in there, bottom, top. Let them go ahead, because no fish don't really take that long. So we're gonna go ahead and cook them and come back. I'm gonna show you how they look. Cooking General, ask somebody. Oh man, welcome back to the Cooking General, man. This is here, served, man, it is so tender and flaky. Now, you can serve this with French fries, mashed potatoes, green beans. I mean, you can go healthy with it too, because I'm saying, you barbecued it. And look at that, light, it's fluffy, it's done. And like I said, you got to really, look at that, flaky. Taste a piece of this here. Oh man, got that nice lemon barbecue flavor, real zesty. Woo. All right, man, this is good. I gotta eat, but I'm gonna conclude this video. Ask somebody. Oh, welcome back to the Cooking General. As y'all can see, hey, that fish came out tender, light, fluffy. Hey, but that's a technique you got to really use. Some people say it might stick to the pit. No, it won't stick. You got to stay on top of your game. Mix your sauce up real good. It won't stick to this pit if you stay on top of your game. You got to watch it. That's something you just can't put on the pit and just kind of walk away with. You gotta kind of stay on top of your game, especially if you're gonna use a closed pit. Now, last week I made a video, and my son said, Daddy, you ain't done a video in a while. It seems like you getting stiff, you getting old. We all get old, but you call me stiff? Hey, I'll show you. Cooking General.